Welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, I think you watched, I was working on the idea that sketched in my iPad, and now I gonna work on canvas, and even on canvas sized 48 into 48 inches. I worked for primary layer, that is a wash, and these paints are acrylic. So recently you are watching the acrylic abstract painting, and this is the real time painting video, so don't skip. Enjoy the art that I'm doing here. I don't know whatever and however I am doing, it is good or bad, but it is just from my soul. So enjoy this video and subscribe if you not done yet, and even you not watched my previous video, that is the first part of this video, so you must watch it. Its link is attached here and listed in the description. Right now I am separating two colors. One is a mixture of the crimson lake and chrome yellow, and the second one, that is and its video could not suit here, but this is very related and very close to the light purple, a violet, and in the violet I add a little brown to make it a little different with a grayish tone. And now I'm keeping aside these all paints and mixing palette and all my stuffs, all my tools that I'm using here, because I will put that canvas on this black space. So until this process of painting on this canvas, that is the primary layer of acrylic paints. So this is also looking beautiful. If you also like, please like this video, and I know you are loving this work, but this is not my final work. This is just a primary layer, and these are the natural strokes, so that's why these are looking very beautiful. uh, Natural strokes always looks beautiful, but that is not my point of the view, and that is not my imagination. I'm working on my imagination only, that I love it, and I'm sure after finishing this painting, you may like it. So I'm applying uh, light violet over the primary layer of acrylic paints, and this abstract form is just to mixing the uh, vibrant and the cool colors, and it creates a little grayish tone, and gray creates a neutral value of the emotions. After painting the second layer over the primary layer, I will be sure that while I will make textures by the characterism style, it will be better, and the canvas color will not appear after the texture technique. And now I'm gonna use this light with this color is very close to the terracotta, and this is reddish brown. So there are some mixtures of the colors that I feel to love here, to love to do here. Look at the patches, they are mixing like they want to match here. Now I'm gonna prepare a little bluish paint here, and it will just give you the feel of sky. And you know, the open sky have blue, and the blue that is totally different, that is I'm preparing here, that must be include with my theme and the previous layers, and so that it creates the harmony in the art. So I do not skip the main color that connects all the elements of art. Now it's time to paint the eagles with gold color. And you never seen before such eagle paintings that I do in the contemporary abstracts. And it's a message uh, to the art lovers. The peace have the biggest power. If you calm down, if the any person calm down, it doesn't mean they are just silent or they are weak. They are strongest men because a lot of things they think, they believe, and all the energies are stored in their mind and in the body. So that's why this eagle having the back to our canvas, but the face is looking left side and watching downward. And it's a sketch I made it in the previous video on this iPad to ensure that in the square proportion this composition will be good or not. And finally, I'm here to paint it on this canvas. So enjoy this video and subscribe this channel if you did not done yet, and like the video, like the praise button, and comment if you want to say something about my art, anything else that you say. So please like, comment, and share to the art lovers. If you know, painting is not enough, drawing is not enough to depict something like a body. There must be some light and shades. So that's why I'm using black with the gold, and this black gold will create the dark portions, a little bit shades on the eagle's face. And to make this paint, this acrylic paint viscous, I'm adding water. And I do not use medium for acrylic. I just like water, so that is easy to add. And after all, the final layer will be oil paint, so it doesn't matter in the first 2 3 layers which medium I'm using. So the water is enough for this painting. finally, this eagle painting is going to finish here, but the final contemporary abstract that you like to watch here on my channel um, is not finished yet. It will be finished in the third part, I'm sure, and this is the second part. Thanks to watch this video until here, and you are still watching it, please subscribe and like my channel, and please comment your opinions and your what do you think about whatever you think about my art. So keep tuned with us. Thank you. Bye.